Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm doing this smoky eye look with a pop of color. If you want to see how I did this, keep on watching. Let me move my hair out of the way so you can see. I'm using the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me in Matte. And I'll be using my sponge. I really wish this had a pump. It would be so much easier. By the way, I'm shade 112. For concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm setting everything with loose powder. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. I'll be right back. Eyebrows are done. For my eyes, I'll be using the Stone Cold Fox from ColourPop. Using a glamorous doll brush, has no number. And I'm going to go in with Gravity Hill on the crease and above. I was thinking of doing a smoky eye with a little pop of color. Let's see what I do. I'm thinking about blue maybe on the lower lash line. Does anyone else love cool tone eyeshadows? Because I do. I really love them. On a smaller brush, Luxie 237, I'm gonna go in Fickle Fate. Just in the crease. With a smaller brush, this is the Lavish Eye Shading. I'm gonna go in with Play It Cool. Not cool, coal. Which is a shimmery shade. And I'm gonna put that all over the lid. That didn't have enough glitter, so I'm gonna use the Tati Beauty and I'm gonna use the Poet in Sequins. I'm gonna use my finger. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be using the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder in the shade Mystic Ice. I'm going to add mascara and eyeliner. I'll be right back. For bronzer, I'll be using Milani in number 3. Blush. Highlighter from Oprah. dose of colors in shade just my type. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on, like the video, and I'll see you on the next video.